friends. So we have been working really hard on our formation of our letters and writing them on paper and making them nice, clear, and legible. So just for handwriting practice while we are online learning, I have found this awesome website for handwriting. So you are going to stay up here in these two lines, because these are what we are learning right here. And I want you to start with A, B, and C just for today. A, B, and C, the capitals. So let's click on A and see what happens. So she just taught you how to write the letter A. Now you're going to take the sponge and try your own writing with the sponge. And you're going to do this 3 times. So you're going to do it with a sponge. Oh no, it lets me restart it. So now you're going to do it with a sponge, a paper towel, and hopefully it's a lot easier for you because you'll be doing it with your finger, and I'm doing it with my mouse on my computer. So you're going to do that also, and then you're going to write it again with chalk. So you're going to do A, B, and C for today. So go ahead and try that, and I know it will be a lot easier for you because you're going to be working with your iPad and not with a computer mouse like mine. Alright, I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this app. I sure did when I went through all the letters, and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye!